Good morning, students. Last class we are discussing about type number 2 in differentiation, that is explicit and implicit function. Define explicit function, define implicit function. Explicit function means bahar, implicit function means under. Okay, now here I will repeat once again. Define explicit function. Consider the functions like, say, y is equal to x square plus x plus 1, or y is equal to tan x, or y is equal to root x, or y is equal to x sin x, etc. Here y is directly expressed as a function of x. Such type of functions is known as explicit function. Nodri y one side x one side ಇತ್ತು explicit function ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It is in the form y is a function of x, that is y is equal to f of x. Such type of functions is known as explicit function. Whereas define implicit function, consider the functions like, say, x square plus y square is equal to a square, or root x plus root y is equal to root xy, or x sin y plus y sin x is equal to 10, etc. Here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, y is not directly expressed as a function of x. x ಮತ್ತು y ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದವು. y is equal to ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, x and y both are mixed. So y is not directly expressed as a function of x. Such type of functions is known as implicit function. Okay, now market ಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಶಾಪ್ಕೀಪರ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಮಾರ್ತಿರ್ತಾನ, ಅವ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್. ನಾವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ implicit function. Mixed vegetables, it is implicit. Separate vegetables, that is explicit function. So based on explicit and implicit function, to solve some more problems, now here problem number 9, find dy by dx. Given that, very simple question, sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. To find dy by dx, sin square x is same as sin x whole power 2. Cos square y is same as cos y whole power 2. Before solving the problem, you must know the important basic formula. These are important basic formula. You must remember those formula. Based on those formula, to solve the problem, now we are given sin square x plus cos square y is equal to 1. Clearly it is which type of function? Clearly it is implicit function. So that differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Okay, derivative of sin square x. Sin square x is same as sin x whole power 2. Sin square x is same as what? Sin x whole power 2. Now here there are two variables, two friends. First friend is power 2, another friend is sin x. First differentiate power 2 or make it as standard form. Put sin x is equal to capital X. It is in the form x square. You know that derivative of x square. You know that derivative of x power n formula. N into x power n minus 1. Here the value of n is here 2. Put n is 2. 2 into x power 2 minus 1, that is 2 into capital X. 2 capital X value sin x into another friend is sin x into derivative of sin x. You know the formula, derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay, similarly derivative of cos square y, same type, 2 cos y into derivative of cos y is minus sin y, because derivative of cos x is minus sin x, minus sin y, but with respect to what? Different variable x, so that we take into dy by dx. Okay, is equal to derivative of 1. 1 it is constant, that is 0, because derivative of constant term is 0. Okay, now simplify. 2 sin x into cos x using multiple angle sin 2x plus into minus again 2 sin y into cos y sin 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. Rearrange sin 2y into dy by dx is equal to sin 2x or minus sin 2y dy by x equal to that term goes to right side minus sin 2x multiply both sides by minus sin 2y dy by x is equal to sin 2x, therefore divide by sin 2y so that dy by dx is equal to sin 2x divided by sin 2y. Okay, similarly next problem, find dy by dx given that x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. Find dy by dx. Observe it. Here in this example, which type of function is here? Clearly it is implicit function because both x and y are mixed. So that differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Observe it. Derivative of x cube, it is in the form x power n. Direct hand by you can fill in another figure. So the power is still 3 there. Write 3 as it is. X power is 3 index to 1 number less 1. That is x square. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Plus, observe it. Here there are two functions. Product of two functions. Apply product rule. U into V formula. You know the rule. Derivative of u into v is equal to u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. X square as it is. Derivative of y with respect to x. dy by dx plus second function as it is y into derivative of x square 2 into x. Okay. Plus again here product of two functions. Apply u into v rule. First function as it is x square. Derivative of y square with respect to x 2y into dy by dx plus second function as it is y square into derivative of first function derivative of x with respect to same variable x, that is 1 plus derivative of y cube 3 into y square but with respect to different variable x into dy by dx is equal to derivative of 81. 81 is number constant 0. Rearrange. Take dy by dx common. Now here x square dy by dx plus 2x dy by x plus 3y square dy by x. Among these three, take dy by dx common. We get x square plus 2xy plus 3y square with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to remaining terms goes to right side. Plus 3x square goes to right side minus 3x square plus 2xy goes to right side minus 2xy plus y square goes to right side minus y square. Okay, therefore dy by dx is equal to divide by left hand side value dy by dx is equal to minus 3x square minus 2xy minus y square. Take minus common 3x square plus 2xy plus y square divided by left hand side value x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. Okay. Now another example, y is equal to root of sin x plus root of sin x plus root of sin x plus and so on up to infinity. Find dy by dx. Observe which type of function is here. Clearly it is explicit function because y one side, x one side. How to solve? Now here the given question, given data, the given problem can be written as which is same as ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಈ ತರ ಬರೆಯುವುದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ y is equal to root of sin x plus y ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ are they same or different ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ which is same as we write y is equal to root of sin x plus y ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ y is equal to root sin x plus y value ಏನಿದೆ what is y value given data root of sin x plus root of sin x plus root of sin x and so on infinity ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು so ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ y is equal to root sin x plus root sin x plus root sin x and so on up to infinity that is same as we write y is equal to root sin x plus 1 ಈ y value ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ y value ಏನಿದೆ ಇದೆ ಹೌದು ಇದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೇ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ y is equal to sin x ಬದಲಿ y is equal to root x plus root x plus root x plus root x and so on infinity ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ how to write y is equal to root x plus 1 y is equal to root of tan x plus root of tan x plus root of tan x and so on up to infinity. We write which is same as y is equal to root tan x plus y. Both are same. Okay. Now differentiate. Now eliminate root. So how to eliminate? Squaring on both sides. Y square is equal to root cancel sin x plus 1. Then differentiate both sides. Bs means both sides with respect to x. Derivative of y square, derivative of x power n formula, derivative of y square 2 into y with respect to different variable into dy by dx is equal to derivative of sin x with respect to x, derivative of sin x with respect to x formula cos x plus derivative of y with respect to x dy by dx. Very simple problem. So 2y dy by dx, take equal on right side, minus cos x minus dy by dx is equal to 0. Now take dy by dx common. This implies 2y minus 1 into dy by dx is equal to minus cos x goes to right side plus cos x. Therefore divide by 2y minus 1 2y minus 1 divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ dy by dx is equal to cos x divided by 2y minus 1. Okay. Next problem, that is 3 mark question. If cos y is equal to x into cos of a plus y, important sum, 3 mark, expected question. Cos y is equal to x into cos of a plus y. Prove that dy by dx is equal to cos square of a plus y divided by sin a. Look here, given data cos y is equal to x into cos of a plus y. Important sum, 3 mark. Expected question, annual exam question. Now here reduce it. Therefore, this implies x is equal to cos y is equal to x into cos of a plus y. Now divide both sides by cos y so that x is equal to x is equal to divide both sides by cos of a plus y. That is cos y divided by cos of a plus y. So divide both sides by cos of a plus y. Cos of a plus y divide ಮಾಡಿ cos y divided by cos of a plus y is equal to x. Okay. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. Clearly equation 1 it is implicit function because mixed here y, here also y. Definition of explicit and implicit function. In explicit function y is a function of x, but here y is not directly expressed as a function of x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಇದೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ y ಇದೆ, that is not explicit, it is implicit function. But here this is explicit function, x is a function of y. Okay, now differentiate first equation with respect to x. Okay, derivative of cos, you know the formula, what is that? Sin y with respect to different variable dy by dx is equal to, right side here there are two functions, product of two functions, u into v rule, apply product rule. Product rule says first function as it is into derivative of second function. What is second function? Cos of a plus y. In second function there are two friends, first friend cos, second friend a plus y. First differentiate first friend, that is cos. What is derivative of cos? Minus sin of a plus y. Cos ಅನ್ನು differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ into another friend is a plus y. A it is constant term 0 plus derivative of y with respect to x dy by dx. Observe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇದುವಲ್ಲಿ. First function as it is into derivative of second function, its value minus sin of a plus y into 0 plus dy by dx, plus second function as it is cos of a plus y into derivative of first function. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Simplify. Move the answer simply. Minus sin y dy by dx is equal to minus x sin of a plus 1 into dy by dx plus cos of a plus 1. Okay, this implies minus sin y dy by dx. Take that term on left side. ಇದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ left side ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ left side ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Minus changes to plus x sin of a plus y into dy by dx is equal to that term right as it is cos of a plus 1. Now in left hand side take dy by dx common. No, dy by dx common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು? X into sin of a plus y minus sin y, okay, into dy by dx is equal to cos of a plus y. Now divide by left hand side value. Therefore dy by dx is equal to cos of a plus y divided by x into sin of a plus y minus sin y. That is dy by dx is equal to cos of a plus y divided by x into sin of a plus y. But the value of x, equation number 2, x value substitute ಮಾಡಿ. What is x value? Cos y divided by cos of a plus y. X value is cos y by cos of a plus y into sin of a plus y minus sin y. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to cos of a plus y numerator as it is divided by in the denominator take the LCM of these two is cos of a plus y, correct? Now here multiply by 1, here multiply by what? Cos of a plus y. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದು sin y sin of a plus y into cos y minus cos of a plus y into sin y. If you take multiplication, that term goes to numerator. Cos a plus y goes to numerator. In the numerator goes to ಏನಾಯಿತು? Cos of a plus y into cos of a plus y. That is cos square, cos into cos square a plus y divided by sin of a plus y into cos y minus cos of a plus y into sin y. Okay, that is dy by dx is equal to cos square a plus y divided by put a plus y is equal to capital A. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ a plus y capital A ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. put y is equal to capital B. y ಗೆ capital B ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು a plus y capital A ಆಯ್ತಾ? y value capital B ಆಯ್ತು. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತಿದು? sin A cos B. ಏನಾಯ್ತಿದು? sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. We know the compound angle, first view formula. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B formula. Sin of capital A minus B. What is capital A? A plus y minus capital B, y. Clearly in the denominator it is in the form compound angle form. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is equal to sin of A minus B. A value A plus y minus B value 1. Now here minus y plus y cancel. That is equal to cos square A plus y divided by sin A. Given answer is cos square a plus y divided by sin a. 3 mark most important sum. Part C ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ question ಇದು. Okay. Next problem. If y is equal to determinant, not more or less, determinant f of x, g of x, h of x, second row L, M, N, third row A, B, C. Then prove that again the determinant first row f dash x, g dash x dash x, second row L, M, N, third row A, B, C. F dash x is same as dy by dx. Other notation for dy by dx are f dash x or y dash or y1. All terms are same. dy by dx ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು? dy by dx ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ f dash x is same as dy by dx. Y dash is same as dy by dx. Y1 is same as dy by dx. Very simple question, but it is CET question. CET ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ CET. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈಸಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಮೊದಲೇ ರೋ ಏನಿದೆ f of x, g of x, h of x ಅದರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇದರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ f dash x, ಇದರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ g dash x, ಇದರ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ h dash x. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ CET ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ CET ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now how to solve here? Given y is equal to, ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, y is equal to determinant f of x, g of x, h of x, L, M, N, A, B, C. L, M, N, A, B, C are constants. Only two variables, namely x and y. Okay. Now we have first to reduce it. Expand that determinant. You know how to expand that determinant. Plus minus plus. F of x. First number write as it is. Deleting first row, first column, you will get 4 numbers. The difference of the cross multiply. M into C, MC. Minus B into N, BN. Right? Next, minus G of x. Again, G of x lies in which row? First row. Which column? Second column. So that deleting first row, second column, 4 numbers. Again, the difference of the cross multiply. L into C, LC. Minus A into N, AN. Plus H of x into. Again, deleting first row, third column. Deleting first row, third column, 4 numbers. The difference of the cross multiply. L into B, LB. Difference minus A into M, AM. We got the function. Y is a function of x. It is explicit function. Now the question to prove that dy by x, differentiate dy by dx is equal to, ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ L, M, N, A, B, C are constant. Out of 26 alphabets, 2 alphabets are the variables, functions, namely x and y. Remaining 24 alphabets are all constants. A, B, C, D, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. All are constants. Okay. Now here this is M is constant, C constant, B constant, N constant. This is complete constant term. Now this is called it as big C. It is big C at the current. That f of x call it as u at the current. It is in the form c into u. You know the rule. Derivative of c into u is equal to, what is derivative of c into u formula? C into u derivative is c as it is into derivative of u. What is c value here? Constant value mc. Constant value mc minus bn. This is purely constant as it is. Into derivative of function, derivative of f of x, derivative of f of x. Another notation is f dash x. Derivative of f of x means derivative of y with respect to x. F of x is y value, because function can be written as y is equal to f of x. Derivative of f of x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Derivative of f of x value ಏನು? y. What is derivative of y with respect to x? dy by dx. Other notation for dy by dx, f dash x. This is as it is. Derivative of f of x is f dash x. Similarly, second term ನೋಡಿ, L constant, C constant, A constant, N constant, complete this is constant. Right as it is LC minus AN. What is derivative of g of x? That is g dash x plus L constant, B constant, A constant, M constant. Constant term as it is LB minus AM. Okay. What is derivative of H of X? H dash X. Right? Okay. That is equal to comparing this with that. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಂ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಎನ್ ಉಂಟು ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಎನ್ ಉಂಟು ಎಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಎಂ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದು ಸೊ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಂ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಜಿ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಎನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಎಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಎಂ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ determinant f of x, g of x, h of x, second row, lmn, third row, abc. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ f of x ಬದಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ f dash x ಇದೆ g of x ಬದಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ g dash x h of x ಬದಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ h dash x ಹೌದಾ ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ instead of f of x here f dash x instead of g of x here g dash x here h dash x second and third row as it is lmn a b c ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇದೇ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ how to expand f dash x into deleting first row first column the difference of the cross multiply mc minus bn ಉಂಟಾ minus g dash x into deleting first row second column lc minus a unta plus h dash x into deleting first row third column lb minus am. This is nothing but determinant f dash x, g dash x, h dash x, lmn, a b c. Unta your answer? Oh. Yes, one more problem for implicit function. That is important sum. 3 mark question they will be asking final exam expected 3 mark. Here the question if x into root 1 plus y into root 1 plus x is equal to 0. Prove that dy by dx is equal to minus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole power 2 important sum 3 mark. Clearly the given data it is implicit function because it is mixing. Y is not directly expressed so that is known as implicit function. How to solve? Now we are first to convert implicit function into explicit function. Easy method. How to convert it? Look here. That is x into root of 1 plus y is equal to those number transfer it minus y into root 1 plus x. Right? ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus y into root 1 plus x. Now eliminate root. Root ಅನ್ನು eliminate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Root eliminate ಆಗೋದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು? Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ x square into root cancel 1 plus y is equal to squaring minus y to the power of 2 plus y square root 1 plus x to the power of 2 1 plus x. Now remove that bracket x square into 1 x square plus x square y is equal to y square into 1 y square plus xy square. Right? This implies x square plus x square y take equal on right side minus y square minus xy square is equal to 0. Rearrange x square minus y square right first and third term as it is. In second term and fourth term x square y minus xy square among these two what is common here xy common ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ x square 1 ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ xy square ಇದೆ among those two x into y common xy common ತೆಗೆದರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತಿದೆ 1x ಉಳಿತು minus ಇಲ್ಲಿ xy common ತೆಗೆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು 1y is equal to 0. This implies, but you know that x square minus y square is same as x minus y into x plus y. You know the formula. A square minus b square equal to a minus b to a plus b. Okay. Plus xy into x minus y is equal to 0. Among those two, what is common? X minus y common. So that divide by x minus y, divide complete equation by x minus y. See what happened? X minus y na divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? X plus y. ಇದು ಹೋಯ್ತಾ? Plus xy. This is cancelled. Is equal to 0 divided by x minus y. 0. This implies x plus xy. Take first and third term. You hear the term, leave it middle term. Take first and third term. First and third term, what is common? X common. Or if you take second and third term, first term में करके आना बेटा. Take second and third term. Y plus xy. Among these two, what is common? Y common. 1 plus x. Correct? Check ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Y into 1y plus y into x into 1 is equal to within the term of x. That x goes to right side. Minus x. Okay. Now divide both sides by 1 plus x. Y is equal to minus x divided by 1 plus x. Clearly it is explicit function. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಒಳಗಿತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. Then the question to prove that dy by dx, differentiate dy by dx is equal to minus sign as it is. It is in the form u by v, quotient of two functions, quotient rule. What is the rule? V as it is. V ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 1 plus x into derivative of u with respect to x. U value ಯಾವುದು? x. Derivative of x with respect to x 1 minus u as it is x into derivative of v. V ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? 1 plus x. Derivative of 1 plus x with respect to x. Derivative of 1 0 plus derivative of x with respect to x is 1 divided by v square 1 plus x whole power 2. That is dy by dx is equal to minus 1 plus x into 1 plus x 0 plus 1 into minus x divided by 1 plus x whole power 2. Okay, plus x minus x cancel. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 1 divided by 1 plus x whole power 2. ನೋಡಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಇದು 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಎನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮೊದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಜಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ, ಗಿವನ್ implicit function into explicit function, then differentiate. Okay, so this completes type number 2, that is derivative of explicit and implicit function. Okay.